In this video, we will see how to upload videos in bulk in YouTube Studio. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Log into your YouTube account and click Create icon in the top menu, and next click Video Upload tab. Next, in this pop-up, you can drag and drop your video files or click and upload your video files. You can see here I have added 3 files to be uploaded at once. And done. All the files are uploaded and in draft mode. Next, we can edit each video settings individually, one after the other, with title of the video description in the description section along with hashtags. Like any other regular video upload, we can add the video to playlists. Enter searchable keyword tags. Next, along with other promotion options like setting up interactive cards and YouTube end cards. Then finally, we can publish each video, or you set the video to premiere here. Or we can schedule the video for a future date with this setting. We can also set the scheduled video to premiere here. And we are done with this video. We can repeat the process for all the videos published or scheduled one by one. With this, we come to the end of this YouTube Studio video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and also subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.